Sun's getting close to going down, and I about finished up this raised bed that I'm going to put some peanuts in. Never grew peanuts before, but I'm going to try it this season. And made this out of old pallet wood. It's definitely not a masterpiece of craftsmanship, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be. All it has to do is contain the rich, fertile soil that I'm going to put in it. And so I think it's going to do that just fine. The star of the show is going to be what's growing in it. So it doesn't have to be beautiful. It just has to be functional. And I think once it gets all the dirt in it and the vegetables growing in it, it's gonna shine. It's gonna look good. The only things I'm really not especially happy about is the way I did these corners. I'm not really happy about the way I did the corners. If I'd really wanted to do it right, I should have took this off and just made it all flush against it. But I just didn't really want to take the time to do it, you know. And like I said, it doesn't have to be beautiful. And probably what I'll do anyway, kind of things I was thinking about doing, is getting some pots, some potted plants, putting some flowers at the corners, and I'll probably get some pots and put some pretty flowers in them and put them right there on the corners, and you won't even see that anyway. So this will last, I don't know. I mean, it's pallet wood, and you know, I was just really rough and broke it apart and pretty much used the nails that were in it to redo it, except for when I put it all together. And you know, it'll last probably several years. Who knows? I built this one over here kind of the same way last spring. Actually, it was more around summertime, and I just built it the same way out of pallet wood. And I built this one. I kind of didn't really like the way I did it. I did it in sections. I was originally just planning on doing like one, and then I said, well, I'll put on another one, then I'll put on another one, and so it really doesn't need these interior walls, but they're there. And so when I was thinking about how to do this one here, I said, I'm not going to do the interior walls. I'm just going to make one big thing. So hopefully it'll all hold together, and I'm pretty sure it will. And it'll hold the dirt, and it will be a beautiful garden, Lord willing. Like I said, I'm not a master gardener or anything, but I've been having a lot of fun with it, and so I'm going to do it. So thanks. We'll keep you posted as we go through the season and start planting it off. Next step is going to be to get the dirt put in there.